In this video, I will show you how to record audio on Android phone using different methods. The first method is to use your phone's built-in voice recorder or sound recorder app. Swipe up to open your app drawer and search for voice recorder or sound recorder. If you're using a Samsung device, you will find it under the Samsung category. Now select voice recorder. Now you want to tap on this red recording button. Record your audio, and after you are done, tap on the pause button or tap on stop. If prompted, enter a name for your recording and tap on save. Then your file will be saved. Now, if you want to record both audio and video, then what you can do is swipe down. Here, locate the option of screen recorder, select that. Now, you want to select full screen or you can select partial screen. Then, in audio to record section, tap on the option of media and mic. Then tap on the start recording option. Now your screen will start recording along with your audio. In this way, you can easily record your audio on Android. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.